Hi viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel RGL Innovations. This video is all about the anti-tip bracket for the base of the stove. This is the type of anti-tip bracket that I'm going to install at the back of the stove, left or right. And when it's being installed, this is how it's sitting at the back of the stove. I prepared to install on the left side back of the stove. So this is how it looks like when it's already sitting down against the wall. And this is the side view for this one. We have template for the left side, and you can just drill a hole from this template and the other side too. And the other side we have template for right edge of the range. And just drill a hole on this one, and it's just sitting like that. And the other side just sitting like that. I have already pre-drilled 2 holes on the floor of the tiles. Then I will put the 2 screws. and the anti-tip bracket has already been installed on the left side. Now it's ready to install the gas range or electric stove, and the gas range or electric range will not be tipped over now because there's anti-tip bracket at the back. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please subscribe and share. See you next time.